Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video features a flight test of the SIYI RC10 Pro with the CUAV 7 Nano Flight Controller. The SIYI UniRC10 Pro is specially designed for professional operations of drones, UGVs, USVs, and intelligent robots. It is equipped with a 10.1-inch ultra-bright display, allowing you to maintain full control effortlessly at your fingertips. The CUAV 7 Nano Flight Controller is powered by an H7 processor with dual floating-point arithmetic, featuring an all-new dual industrial-grade IMU redundant design and an innovative stacked structure. Despite its compact size, it offers rich interfaces, an integrated Ethernet port, switchable 5V 3.3V PWM outputs, and supports ArduPilot and PX4 firmware. Equipment used in this flight test: CUAV 7 Nano Flight Controller, CUAV NEO 4Z GPS, SIYI RC10 Pro. The UniRC10 Pro comes standard with a 10.1-inch large display at 1920x1200 resolution and 2000 nits brightness, ensuring clear visibility even under strong sunlight. Pre-flight preparation. Before installing the propellers, power on the drone and enter the SIYI UniGCS ground station. Unlock the motors and check the rotation direction of each motor. After confirming everything is correct, install the propellers and complete the pre-flight preparations before takeoff. The UniRC10 Pro's large 10.1-inch display provides strong support for multi-view video streaming and detailed operational data, making professional drone operations more efficient. With ultra-high brightness, it eliminates the need for shading the screen by hand and ensures all details remain clearly visible. To ensure stable performance in professional scenarios, the UniRC10 Pro features triple-frequency redundancy. Users can freely configure single-frequency or dual-frequency operating modes according to the environment, interference conditions, and performance requirements. It supports adaptive frequency hopping, dynamic adjustment of frequency bands, channels and modulation rates, and real-time awareness of communication environment changes. This significantly reduces manual intervention and ensures stable transmission across various scenarios. Under identical conditions, its anti-interference capability, communication quality, and transmission range are further improved, providing stronger signal stability than comparable products. The UniRC10 Pro features an IP54 protection rating, making it suitable for harsh professional operating environments. It enables precise control in dangerous scenarios, replacing manual labor in tasks such as site inspection, emergency rescue, firefighting, and marine surveying. With its powerful open hybrid ecosystem, the UniRC10 Pro can easily integrate with gimbals, flight controllers, propulsion systems, and third-party payloads that support the SIYI ecosystem or the MAV-Link Open Protocol. When paired with the UniGCS ground station software, it enables rapid access to flight controller data, gimbal and payload control, power telemetry feedback, and fast link parameter tuning, greatly reducing system integration complexity. The UniRC10 Pro adopts a dual internal and external battery architecture. With hot swappable external batteries, it effectively addresses endurance anxiety and the inability to use the device while charging. It supports charging during operation, PD65W fast charging, and displays dual battery icons in the software interface for easy power monitoring. The CUAV 7 Nano Flight Controller features an H7 processor with dual floating-point arithmetic, dual industrial-grade IMU redundancy, and an innovative stack design. It is extremely compact, about the size of a coin, and weighs only 33.8 grams. Its refined and compact structure allows easy installation on FPV drones, micro-helicopters and other compact aircraft, while still meeting most expansion requirements. In this flight test, the SIYI RC10 Pro remote controller and CUAV 7 Nano Flight Controller delivered outstanding performance. Stable control, precise responsiveness, smooth operation and a comfortable grip together provided a reliable and enjoyable flight experience. This concludes the SIYI RC10 Pro and CUAV 7 Nano flight test video. Thank you for watching. If there is more content you would like to see, don't forget to follow the World Drone Market channel. We will continue to bring you more drone equipment reviews, tutorials and usage guides. See you in the next video.